Lion has been targeted by members of ISIS and other jihadist groups for years. The suspects behind the latest plot will stand trial in Jordan. A university suspends all 14 fraternities in the wake of a college student's
Are you okay, sir?
No, I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday.
Texas on a C.J. Stroud touchdown pass to Nico Collins. Leads the Browns 10-7. They are heading to the second quarter in Houston. And the Chiefs and Dolphins meet up in a bitterly cold night in Kansas City, with the temperatures expected to be around -20 at kickoff, which goes at 8 o'clock. With the 15 and 45 at every hour or anytime at sportsnet.ca.
Not thinking. Oh my god. Yeah, snow like this and...
Oh, now he's spinning. We're spinning. And we're going to get hit. If this guy's going to kick, he's going to counter back. No, he's not. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You are a moron.
Yer! Honey, I can't. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Hold on, we're going back up. Jesus.
Accurately convey anything I might be trying to say. I just find that they always somehow...
Whoa, shit.
Abortion rights and looking at where we came from and where we are now and trying to assess what it means.
Well, it's...
Whoa. Jesus.
There we go. Go, 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 go. Let's go push. Let's do it.
Thank you.
Of course. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, let's go, baby.
Thank you.
Just watch out, watch that car though.
Yeah.
All right. Keep going.
I'm gonna push over this guy.
Yeah. Okay.
That's okay?
All right, let's give it a push.
Go ahead. All right.
Keep going. Yep, no problem. Come on, rocket. Keep going. Keep going.
Ah!
Okay, let's at least try to get you out of here.